this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Forever and Always bundle from the Love You Always suite. So here's the bundle. It has these great words that you can cut out or you can layer them, which I'm going to do with the love. And then it's got these flowers that you can stamp and cut out, which I've done. And then these words that you can stamp and cut out too. I've embossed my word you. And then of course leaves that you can stamp and cut out, and then some extra flowers as well. And the Love You Always suite can be found in the mini catalog on page 10, starting on page 10 with some samples. And then if you flip over to page 11, you can see all the products that are available in the suite. We've got some lovely metallic foil sheets, treat boxes, ribbon, these heart embellishments, these black matte dots, and then this really pretty paper, and then the True Love Designer Series paper as well. So I want to show you the paper. It's got these fun black and white flower designs that you can color, and then designs on the back. And then I really love there's polka dots. I really love this one right here because you can cut out the flowers or color the flowers. Really pretty one. So that's the cool paper. I'm using the diagonal stripe one on this card. Just love that one. So I'm just gonna layer this on to some thick white. And then I've already started coloring some of the flowers. I've stamped and cut out the flowers. So I'm gonna kind of place them there. And then I've got one left, so I'm gonna color it with the Rococo Rose. So I've got the dark Rococo Rose here. So I'm just going to kind of color in the middle and then come back with the light and finish coloring and blend that in. And just blend it in so that there's no harsh lines or anything. Just color that. I love watching it blend. It's so nice. And just blend this last petal. And then I'm going to layer love onto this black piece. And I forgot to use my adhesive sheets for this one, so I'm gonna just use some good old liquid glue. Okay, and now I can assemble the card. So I'm just gonna put dimensionals on everything and assemble the card. And there is the card finished. I'm offering a free card kit on this suite, and it consists of these 6 cards. When you place a $30 order by going to my website and using this hostess code, you can get this card kit for free. Or when you purchase the Forever and Always bundle, you can also get this card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Forever and Always card kit. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.